Good morning kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Myself Pragya from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota. So kids, in the previous classes we have done how to trace and write uppercase letters A to Z, and now today we will write them all together. So kids, take out your English workbook 1 and open page number 158, and parents are requested to mention date and classwork at the top. Now kids, sharp your crayon and start writing with me. Our first uppercase letter is A. Uppercase letter A. So put your crayon here and write with mom. Slanting line, one more slanting line and sleeping line. Uppercase letter A. Now what comes after A? Yes, it's B. Uppercase letter B. So write here uppercase letter B. Standing line, small curve, one more small curve. Uppercase letter B. Now tell me kids, what comes after uppercase letter B? Yes, it's C. So write here uppercase letter C. Put your crayon here and write uppercase letter C. Long curve like this. Uppercase letter C. Now what comes after C? It's D. Uppercase letter D. So put your crayon here and write uppercase letter D. Standing line and long curve. Uppercase letter D. Now after D, it's uppercase letter E. So put your crayon here and draw standing line, sleeping line on the second line and third line. Uppercase letter E. Now what comes after E? It's F. Uppercase letter F. So put your crayon here on the dot and draw a standing line, one sleeping line and one more sleeping line. Uppercase letter F. Now tell me kids, what comes after uppercase letter F? It's G. Uppercase letter G. So put your crayon here on the dot and draw long curve, touch the line, now standing line and small sleeping line. Uppercase letter G. Now what comes after uppercase letter G? It's H. Uppercase letter H. So write here uppercase letter H. Standing line, sleeping line and one more standing line. Okay, touch the line. Okay, now move to next. What comes after H? It's I. Uppercase letter I. So write here uppercase letter I. Sleeping line, standing line and one more sleeping line. Uppercase letter I. Now kids, tell me what comes after I? It's J. So write here on the dot uppercase letter J. Sleeping line, standing line and curve. Uppercase letter J. Now after uppercase letter J, it's letter K. So write here uppercase letter K. Standing line and two slanting line from the second line like this. uppercase letter K. Now next is uppercase letter L. Uppercase letter L. So put your crayon here on the dot and draw standing line, touch the third line and sleeping line. Uppercase letter L. Now what comes after L? It's M. So write here uppercase letter M. Put your crayon here and draw standing line, one slanting line, one more slanting line and standing line. Uppercase letter M. Now what comes after M? It's N. So put your crayon here on the dot and write uppercase letter N. Standing line, slanting line and standing line. Uppercase letter N. Now kids, quickly tell me what comes after N? It's O. Uppercase letter O. So put your crayon here on the dot and draw long curve, touch the third line and one more long curve and join them. Uppercase letter O. Now kids, come on the next page, page number 159. Come on this page and from here we will write. So tell me what comes after O? It's uppercase letter P. So write uppercase letter P, standing line and small curve like this. Uppercase letter P. Now what comes after P? It's Q. Uppercase letter Q. So put your crayon here and draw a long curve. Touch the third line, again long curve. Join them. And we will draw one slanting line from inside to outside. Like this. Okay, uppercase letter Q. Now what comes after Q? It's R. Uppercase letter R. So right here, standing line, small curve and slanting line. Uppercase letter R. Now kids, tell me what comes after R? It's uppercase letter S. So come on the next line and put your crayon here. Kids, writing should be very beautiful. Sharp your crayon if it is blunt. Okay, put your crayon here and draw small curve, again small curve in opposite direction like this. Uppercase letter S. Now what comes after S? It's T. Uppercase letter T. So draw sleeping line and standing line. Uppercase letter T. Now what comes next? It's uppercase letter U. So put your crayon here and draw standing line, curve and again standing line. Uppercase letter U. Now what comes after U? It's V. Uppercase letter V. So put your crayon here on the dot and draw a slanting line. Touch the third line, one more slanting line. Uppercase letter V. Now what comes after V? It's W. Uppercase letter W. So put your crayon here on the dot and write uppercase letter W. Slanting line, touch the third line, again up with slanting line, touch the first line, Again down with slanting line, touch the third line. Again up with slanting line. Uppercase letter W. Now what comes after W? It's X. Uppercase letter X. So write here uppercase letter X. Put your crayon here. Draw slanting line. One more slanting line like this. Uppercase letter X. Now what comes after X? It's uppercase letter Y. So put your crayon here on the dot and draw a small slanting line and one big slanting line like this. Uppercase letter Y. Now what comes after Y? It's Z. Now what is the last letter? It's uppercase letter Z. So put your crayon here. Draw slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line and again sleeping line. Uppercase letter Z. Now kids, let's read all the letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So kids, like this you have to complete the pages 158, 158 and 159, 159 and also 160 and 161 in your English workbook 1. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.